and welcome guys to my channel, and I want to say thank you for your support. I finally hit 3k views and 100 watch hours. Yeah, so thank you for your support. That means a lot to me. To me it means that I should put some more effort. To me it means that there is someone who love my output, there is someone who love my hard work. So thank you guys, I really appreciate. Even though subscribers are going slow, but YouTube is not about subscribes, it's about how many people love what you are doing. So thank you guys. And today I was supposed to go live, as I promised. I was supposed to go live, but it turns out that I couldn't go live because there's a background bad bad noise in my background. So I promised to go live in January. So yes, I will go live in January, because right now people are celebrating, people are having joy of something. Maybe they are celebrating of buying a new car, buying a new house, buying some new thing. So I should let them be, because maybe in 3 hours to come it might be late, in 24 hours to come it might be late. So they should have some fun right now, because tomorrow it might be too late. So they should go for it right now. They should go for it when they have time. When their hearts say do it, they should follow it, because no one can change their joy, no one can change what is written about them. So thank you guys. Everyone have a right to grow, be happy, as I also must be happy today, because of my hard work, of your effort. My hard work is because of your effort. So maybe I should celebrate my views, 3 heads. I should celebrate my gaining, because it's just a game. I should put more, and I think that I should put more. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you for your support. And I'll go live. I promise to go live in January. So yeah, I promise. And to those thinking about giving up in everything that they have, let me give them something. Don't quit. Don't quit in whatever you have. Don't quit whatever you think of doing, because if you quit you might be losing everything. So don't stop saying that I'm not ready. Who might be ready for you? You are the one who should be ready for your gain. You are the one who should be ready for your success. So don't wait saying that I'm gonna do it tomorrow, because tomorrow it might be wrong. Tomorrow it might be the bad day. Tomorrow it might be the day that it takes you down. Tomorrow it might be the day that you should be celebrating the hard work that you are doing today. So please don't stop. If you think that every day you wake up it's a bad day, every day you wake up you are facing bad challenges, you are facing every bad things. So please, what I'm trying to advise to you is to not run away from your challenges. Run towards your challenges, because everyone have the problem. Do you know how they deal with? It's that they don't run away from their challenges, they run towards their challenges. So don't you want to be like that? So please don't run away, run towards. And every day that you woke up, don't say that I'm like no, today is a bad day, I should quit today. Say no. You should quit tomorrow. Every day that you wake up, you should say, I'm not quitting today. I'm going to quit tomorrow. And tomorrow, if you wake up and see that is still the same, say, I'm going to quit tomorrow. In every tomorrow, say tomorrow. Because they are tomorrow days that are going to change your life. Maybe you aren't prepared. Maybe you should put some effort right now, because everything is bad, nothing is good. Even as buying a candy, that candy is sweet but it's bad in your diet. So don't quit because of something that you don't know. Well, Eric used to say that do what is hard right now for a better tomorrow. Do you know what does that mean? No, right? You should do something that you have. I mean, you should do something that it's hard right now, right? So that you can have something easy tomorrow. Why? If you do something hard right now, maybe the time goes, what you've done right now, it will come back in your future. And if it comes back in your future, you will have an experience of what you have done, and say, no, this I have seen something like this, I have experienced something like this, no, I have had something like this, and I did just like this. So that is easy. And if you do something easy right now, when you meet and hard thing tomorrow, you're gonna quit. Everything gonna fall down because you don't know how to deal with. You're just thinking about leaving everything alone, and that is a bad idea. Don't ever think about leaving everything alone. Just put an effort in everything that you have. Just go for it, because nothing is easy. Just do something that it will always make you have hope. Don't do something because someone is doing it. You see, you follow someone because he's doing something. You want to be a singer because someone you love someone who is the singer. No, you love someone who is the singer. It doesn't mean that you should be a singer. No, by loving some, there's things that we know we love but we can't do. There's something that we don't love but we are capable of doing it. So please don't quit in your life. Please don't quit. Do everything that gonna make you a better person tomorrow. Please don't quit, because the right time it's now. See, the right time it's now. So please listen to me. Just listen to me. I'm about to give you something. Yeah, in life, no one it's better than everyone. Even a famous person, he was once, or she was once, a beginner who didn't stop in her dream, who didn't give up in trying. So if you want to be someone who is famous out there, who is known worldwide, please don't give up. You have to face some bad challenges. You have some things that don't go the way you want. So you should stay prepared in every time. You should always waiting for something. If you are doing something good, you should know that there is something bad that is gonna happen, because goodness doesn't go alone, and badness doesn't go alone. Because there are times that you think, no, right now I'm going to give up because things are not going the way that I planned, so I should give up. But suddenly you find something that encourages you. You find something that motivates you to go out there. And motivation are not just stories, are not just things, the words that come out of nowhere. If you can take a time, maybe just listen 3 videos of motivation and stay quiet. Don't ever do something, don't move, don't watch anything, just listen, only motivation. Stay quiet, don't move about 6 minutes, and you will finally realize that there's something that you heard, there's something that gave you a strength for doing something in that motivation. Please, so please don't just ignore your future because of something, because they are things that you can do in future. They are things that are waiting for you to do out there. So please be who you are. Don't let your your your, yourself to follow something that you don't even know. So don't, what I'm trying to say, don't be scared of something that you don't know. Of course, don't be scared because you know something that it's bad. No, even if you know that how dangerous thing that thing is, don't quit. Even if you know that how dangerous that thing is, don't say I'm going to run away. Run towards it. Say that it not going to break you. You are the one who's supposed to break it. So please don't give up in your life because of having something that it's bigger than you. You know what they always say? They say things are coming with bigger packages. You might see it big and thinking that no, I can't do it. No, I can't face it. I should run away from it. But what you don't know is that it might be big, but it's easy to deal with. It might be big, but it's not hard to fight it. It might be big, but it doesn't know anything. It might be big, but it's controlled by you. So one day you will be out there and be proud of yourself, knowing that where do I come from? And please don't forget where are you coming from, because we always do the same mistake. If you are coming from a poor background, one day when you are out there, when you are known worldwide, don't forget that you once a poor person. So please do what is right, and please don't stop helping others, even if you know there's nothing he going to do in return. It's because that he doesn't have strength, or he doesn't have much to return to you, and the only person who gonna return is God. And the only person who gonna return what you have lost, it's only God. So please don't stop helping each other, and thank you guys again for your support. Now I'm out here. I'm thinking that everything that I wanted to say, you have heard it. So thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate. I really appreciate that.